Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you Seeder in Laravel. So basically what is a Seeder? So Seeder you can imagine like a thing that will insert some data into your database. And what's the use of this? So if you want to create some testing data, so there you can use the Seeder. And if you are having some prerequisite data in your application, then also you can use this Seeder. So let's get started. So let me show you database first. So you can see I'm using Laravel tutorial, and here you can see I'm having post table, post comments table, and one is contact table as well. So in these three table, I'm going to insert data using Seeder. So now let me show you code now. So here you can see migrations I have created in previous video. All these are migrated. So in Cedar you can see in database folder, and inside Cedar you can find one file that is database Cedar. So this one is one default file that you will find inside Cedar folder. So here we will be calling all our Cedar files, and these only file will run if we will run command php artisan db seed, and inside run function whichever commands or statements are written, those will be executed. So now let's start by creating first Cedar. So write php artisan make Cedar, and let's say write contact Cedar. We will be creating for contact table. So hit enter, and now you can see Cedar file is created, and in folder you can see one more file contact Cedar. So inside this you can see run function is there, in which we will be writing our statements or query. So now let's write query inside this. So here I'm going to use query builder. So write db and include this db above, like use with namespace. So write db with table, and here table is contact. So after that, so just open migration once and see the column names, name, email, and message. So after that, write insert here, and inside that write name, and give, let's say, Katie a value. Then write email, and email write katie@gmail.com. And third one will be message. So write message, let's say love to code. So this one is one entry that will be inserted in table contact. So now let's go to terminal and write command php artisan db colon seed. So that's the command for seeding the database. But you can see no file is executed here. So let me just show you in db as well. So in contact you can see nothing is inserted. As you have not called this contact seeder, so you need to call this in database seeder. So you can see in run function database seeder, you need to call one function. So write this and then write call. Inside this, you need to define all your classes for Cedar. Whichever class Cedar you will define here in this function, these will be executed if you will run php artisan db seed command. So write contact Cedar with class. So if you want to run a particular file, you can also run it with option class. So after this, let's run command again. So write php artisan db seed, and now you can see contact Cedar is executed here. So now let's check in database. So let's go to contact table and browse. So now you can see one entry is inserted. So that's the simple way you can create a Cedar and insert into your database. So now I'm going to create another for post one. So now let's write php artisan make Cedar, let's say post Cedar. So open the file, and inside that write db table post posts, and after that write insert. So inside that pass so title, write first blog, let's say, and write description as well, my first blog. So after writing, let's run the commands, write php artisan db seed, and here option we will be passing, that is class. So here write post seeder. So run the command. There is one error. So okay, so I forgot to include db, so just import the class. So after that, run the command again, and now you can see seeding database is there. So now let's go to post table and browse. So you can see one entry is there. So you can also seed your database with the entries while migrating. So you can option seed option in migration. So let me show you that as well. So write command php artisan, here migrate fresh, and with that write dash dash seed. So run the command, you can see firstly migrations are running, and after that seeding is done. So now let's go and check in DB. Let's go to contact table. Now you can see it's inserted. Post table is not inserted as it's not defined in database seeder file. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. I've shown you a basic simple seeder how to insert data into your database. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.